Hello, you awesome people. This is Ramesh, and you are watching TechProwess. Machine learning is a buzzword of current time, and you might have heard a lot about machine learning nowadays. Yes, machine learning is really fascinating, and surprisingly, we are using machine learning in our day-to-day life. And you might not be knowing that the applications that we are using in our day-to-day life is using machine learning behind the scenes. So yes, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 applications that we generally use in our day-to-day life, and these applications somewhere behind the scenes are using machine learning. So even if you are a beginner, a non-programmer, or a seasoned professional, it would be a good idea to know that which are those 5 applications that we use generally in our day-to-day life, and those are somewhere using machine learning. So make sure that you watch the video till the end, and without any further delay, let's get started with the video right away. Let's now talk about the very first application. So most of us use Facebook in our day-to-day life. Yes, we generally upload photos on Facebook, and you might have observed one thing, that whenever we upload photos with our friends, so we generally get that automatic friend tagging suggestion. So that is nothing but it is using machine learning behind the scenes. It is using the image recognition application of machine learning. And yes, image recognition is kind of a very most common applications of machine learning, and what it basically does is, from a given image, it tries to identify any object, any person, or any places, and that's exactly it is doing when we upload a photo with our friend, and based on that photo it identifies the faces and it gives us the automatic friend tagging suggestion. So that was the first application. Let's now talk about the second application. So we generally use Google in order to search anything over the internet, and you might have observed one thing, that whenever you are typing, so there is also one option wherein through your speech you can also search for something. So yes, that is nothing but it is using machine learning in the backend, and it will basically recognize our speech, whatever we have spoken. It identifies that the words that we have spoken, and based on that it performs the search and return us the results back. So it uses speech recognition technique, speech recognition application of machine learning. And let's now talk about the number 3. So this third application is the most common one, and without that our traveling could have been next to impossible. Yes, I'm talking about Google Maps. So whenever we have to go from one place to another, we generally use Google Map, and Google Maps provide us a kind of a shortest route to reach to that particular path, and it also shows us the traffic situation on that particular path whenever we are searching for that. So that is nothing but it is using machine learning in the backend. And yes, so Google Map is the third application. Let's now talk about the fourth application of machine learning. That is something that we are using in our day-to-day life. Yes, the fourth one is product recommendations. So whenever you are on Amazon, right? So whatever you have searched or whatever you have shopped for, so the next recommendations that you generally get, those are around those products only. So based on your interest, it is giving you the product recommendation. And similarly, whenever you are watching any entertainment series on Netflix or any other platform, so you get the recommendations accordingly of your interest. So that is nothing but it is once again machine learning behind the scenes. So yes, any kind of product recommendations or any advertisement recommendations that you generally get whenever you are surfing the internet or any other platforms, so that is basically machine learning. And let's not talk about the last one. So we use Gmail or any other email providers for accessing our emails. That is kind of a very integral part of our day-to-day life. So you might have seen that some of the emails that you get are categorized as spam emails, some of them are categorized as important emails, some of them are social, and some of them are promotional. So how it is doing it? It is using machine learning behind the scenes and using different kind of filter, content filter, and so many more, and based on that it is categorizing the emails into appropriate category. So yes, this is the most common use case of machine learning as well. So yes, these were the 5 most commonly used applications in our day-to-day life which is using machine learning. So that's what high level of overview that I have shared with you. I hope you have found the video as useful. If you like the video, make sure that you give a thumbs up to the video. If you didn't like, make sure that you give the dislike to the video, and I would appreciate if you could write your feedback in the comment section. That would be really great. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button right out there and be a part of TechProwess channel. I'll see you out in the next video, and it would be an interesting one as well, so make sure that you watch that as well. So see you out there in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy programming.